Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week. Today is Wednesday, December 4th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, teachers and staff, today we're going to have some school visitors throughout our building from about 9:30 to 1:30 today. So we'll have Dr. Dan Weisman, who is the superintendent of schools, who will be here also with some other administrators and principals. Going to be looking at all the great things that we're doing here at Perry. So let's make sure that we're showing our best paw behavior today and doing our best. So we'll be using the library pretty much extensively throughout the whole day until about the 1:30 time. So just to let you know that that's where most of our meetings will be held. For December birthdays, I do not have any December birthdays to announce for today, but we do have a couple coming up on Thursday and Friday. Our lunch choices for today are beef and cheese nachos, hot dog, and ham and cheese sandwich. And today our paws are brought to you by first grade and Mr. Z's class.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Paws Expectations, and we have some first grade students here from Mr. Z's class to go through those expectations.
Do not be spiteful with toys. Do not hurt people. Make sure you don't spit at others. Keep your hands to yourself.
Awesome, thanks. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that, boys and girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And everyone have a great day today. Make sure you're showing your best paw behavior. And I'll see you out and about with our school visitors today. Have a wonderful day.